Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a pack with me video. These used to be all the rage in like old school YouTube, like what's in my purse, like what I'm packing to go away. And I am going away this Saturday to Universal, so this is actually pre-filmed. I'm pre-filming. Am I a YouTuber yet? So I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be packing, what I'm going to be bringing with me to Universal. It's in Florida, so it's going to be very hot, very sweaty. Looking forward to it. So if you want to see what I am packing, then just keep watching. I'm packing everything in this Yumi Kim travel bag. I did get this for my FabFitFun unboxing. I chose to pick this one because I knew I was going to Universal and I wanted to have a makeup bag to bring with me because I'm into makeup now. So I love this because it has two compartments. The first one up here, you can place your brushes in. It has little spots, and then it also has this big elastic. And in here is also a compartment to put more things. And then it also has another zipper pouch where you can put, it's just a regular thing to put the bigger items. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be filling this up with. First and foremost, I need a spray to help my face not be so dry. And I decided to bring with me this travel size of the Mario Badescu Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea Spray. I have been using this for a while. I did buy the rose one as well, and I love that one because I love how that one smells, but I find that this one does more for my skin. So I bought a mini size because I'm almost out of mine and I didn't want to bring a huge spray bottle. So I will be using this to prime my face, but also at night to do the same thing and get my face ready for it. Next, I'm going to bring this Coola Classic Sunscreen SPF 50 because you gotta make sure you don't burn your face. I burn so easily that I need a sunscreen, and this is like the perfect size. I have worn this on my face before. I feel like it doesn't make my face greasy. It's not overly greasy as it is. It smells fine. It doesn't smell gross. And I love the packaging. And it's organic. So I figure for the days I'm going to the water parks, I'm not going to wear makeup anyway, but I'm going to wear some sunscreen. And since this is sport, it should protect me while I'm in the water and sporting and running and walking. So I'm bringing this one. I'm also going to bring my Foreo Luna Fofo because this has been a lifesaver for my skin, and I just need this to cleanse my face every morning and night to keep looking as good as I look right now. So I'm going to bring a few lip options of different types and varieties because I need a lot of lipstick. So I am bringing a traditional lipstick. This is the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Quickie. This is the Makeup by Shayla collab with them, and I'm just going to swatch it on the back of my hand so you guys can see. This is a nice peachy nude. I feel like this is the perfect nude for summer, and I don't want to be stuck to just wearing liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, so I thought bringing a traditional lipstick would be good on the days when I just, I just want to like reapply and go because I will be eating at the park. I just feel this will go with any look I decide to do. I'm trying to pick 4 lipsticks that will look good with pretty much everything, so I'm bringing this one. I love the formula on this and I love the shade. I am, however, going to bring a liquid lipstick. I'm going to bring the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. It's actually what I have on my lips today. It's a bit deeper, but I love brown nudes. So I'm going to bring this one. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. I like their formula. They are long wearing. They do not dry out my lips, and they don't do that weird butthole thing where it's like kind of white in the middle there and it's gross. They also don't flake off during the day, and it's easy to reapply them. And if you put balm over the top of them to like re-moisturize your lips, they don't do anything weird like some of them do. I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand so you can see my lip choices. So then we have Quickie and Verona, so just completely different nudes. I'm going to bring another liquid lipstick for a completely different reason. This is the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint in the shade Posh. I love this formula. Now, the Ofra one is kind of a moussier texture, which I do enjoy so much, and this one is very liquidy. But I find that this one just does not come off my lips no matter what I do. I have eaten salads and pizza and oily things with this. I've eaten wings with this, and it just does not come off. It also doesn't dry out my lips at all, and again, if I put balm over the top, for some reason, if it does start to dry out my lips, it doesn't do anything weird. This is Posh right here. It's kind of in the middle of these two, like if I mix them together you get Posh, but I love this and it glides on the lips. It's very lightweight though, and that's the kind of thing I'm going to want in Florida because it's not me if I don't bring a lip gloss. I'm bringing a lip gloss. This is the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Featherless. I have been wearing this without any like makeup on no makeup days where I just put it on brows and mascara and this, and it just gives my lips just that little bit of something something to make it look like, ooh, she has something on her lips. But is it chapstick? Is it lip gloss? I don't know, but it looks great. And I love this. Can either be sheer or built up to a pigmented lip gloss. So I love that aspect of it. I think it's very multi-dimensional that way. And also it just feels really good on my lips. So I'm going to bring this one. This is the shade right here. So this is Featherless, Posh, Verona, and Quickie. I feel like these are good for lip options to bring. If I was going out for like a nice dinner, I might bring a different lipstick, but I don't think I am. It's going to be a family vacation. We're going to be walking around the park all day, and then I'm going to be sweaty and gross, and we're just going to go home and collapse. Now let's talk about some eyeshadows. I am confused on what to bring because I feel like I'm not going to want to do a lot for eyeshadow on the days that I go to Universal, but I also feel like I'm going to want just a little something. Even if I don't wear like makeup, I think I might want just a little wash over my eyelids. So I am bringing two palettes, and they're both from ColourPop. These are two of my favorite palettes ever, and I feel like I haven't mentioned this one. This is the Kathleen Lights collab. This is the Dream Street palette. I love that there's these mixes of neutrals right here and also some pops of color. I have been using these like in my everyday life, like when I just want something on the lids. I do reach for this because these shades are so incredibly nice. But if I want to just change it up one day, go into the airport, want to look glam as hell, I'll just pick up a blue or a nice red toned. So I am going to bring this one with me, and I'm also going to bring this one with me because of the colorful options I have. I can again get some neutral looks with this gold shade and this mustard and this one, but I can also get some really nice colorful playful looks. And I just love the undertones of these shadows, and I feel like paired together, like this is the perfect thing. It just they complement each other really well. So I'm going to bring these two with me. I'm also going to bring another palette, but this is a face palette, and I'm bringing the Tarte Pro Glow palette. I have been loving this lately, and I have just been completely obsessed with these two contour bronzer shades and this highlight shade. I just feel like they look good all the time, no matter what you do, no matter how I do my makeup. I have it on my face today. I just think it looks really great. It's easy to apply, it's quick, and that's what I need because I'm going to be with all boys, my family. So, you know, need to do your makeup quick. So I like this palette, and I like that it is so sturdy. It has mirrors, it's great to travel with. So I'm definitely going to bring this one with me as well. I wanted to bring a few options for blush, so I am bringing two. They're both from Tarte. Tarte makes my favorite blush like ever. I have the shade Exposed, which is like my all-time favorite shade, and then I also have this one in Celebrated, which is a bit more pinky and a bit more peachy for those days where I want something like that. I am actually wearing Celebrated today. I'm bringing two eyeliners. I'm bringing this Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, waterproof, 16 hours in nude. This really just stays on my eyes all day long. If I put it in at 9 in the morning and I come back home from work at 9 at night, it is still in my waterline. I love this. And if I want something a little something something, I'm going to bring the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Mr. Bing. This is a nice warm brown, and I feel like it just looks good with anything I wear. For eyebrows, I am bringing my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I love this. I cannot leave home without it. This is my Ride or Die eyebrow pencil, and then my Ride or Die eyebrow setting gel, which is the ColourPop Brow Boss Brow Gel. I just need these. For eyelashes, I'm going to be bringing a mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now this isn't waterproof, but I don't find that this smudges on my eyes at all throughout the day or ever. I'm bringing the shade Brown Black because I want a more natural look. I'm not trying to be like all kind of fancy and crazy Universal when I'm probably going to get wet, get water on my face, sweat. I want something that will stand up the test of time, and this really does. I love this so much. It does lengthen my lashes really nicely, and it just is a staple mascara in my collection. For foundation, I'm actually bringing the last bottle. This is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and I love it. It's on my face today. This matches me perfectly. Hands down, this is my perfect match for foundation. This is in the shade LC1, it's the lightest shade they have. I love this so much. It does have SPF 20 in it, which is good if I'm wearing foundation. I do want an SPF in it because I don't want to burn. So I will be bringing this. For concealer, I'm bringing the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral 10. I'm wearing this on my face today. I have re-fallen in love with this as of recent. I just did a video reviewing the ColourPop No Filter Foundation, and I realized how much I like this, and I realized how much this fits my blends out on my face so nicely. It gives me a great amount of coverage. It looks great with the foundation, which I'm wearing both today. I just think this looks great, and so I will be bringing this with me. It's also $6, so if I lose it, I will not cry. For setting powder, I'm bringing the ColourPop No Filter setting powder. I'm bringing this solely because it is super small. And then the last product I am bringing with me, minus skincare, is my Becca First Light Priming Filter. This is my ride or die, my holy grail, my absolute everything. I love this with all of my heart, and I never have a bad makeup day when I wear this. It gives me that nice natural glow, which is everything that I need and everything that I look for in a product. It is lightweight. I don't need to wear this with foundation. I could just wear this by itself to give me a little glow. It's also pretty moisturizing, and just, I don't know, it transforms my skin into the perfect thing ever in the whole wide world. I just love this. That completes this video. This is all of the makeup products that I am bringing with me to Universal. I just like watching these videos to maybe get ideas on what to bring, and because of them, I'm bringing some of these products. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.